Ever felt the need for a sonic oasis in the midst of a noisy world? Enter the JBL Live 770 NC headphones, promising a seamless escape from the clamor of life. With adaptive noise cancellation, spatial sound, and an impressive battery life of 65 hours, these wireless headphones are indeed a force to be reckoned with. But do they truly live up to their promise? That's what we're about to find out. Adaptive noise cancellation, the shining feature of the JBL Live 770 NC, is effective in drowning out the low hum of airplane engines, the chatter in cafes, and even the enthusiastic barking of dogs. The technology conveniently adapts to your surroundings, offering varying levels of noise blocking as required. Need to cross the street amidst traffic? Simply tap the ear cup to activate Ambient Aware, allowing essential sounds without compromising on the immersive experience. In terms of sound quality, the JBL Pure Bass sound delivers rich, punchy lows and clear, crisp highs. The spatial audio adds an immersive depth to your music and movies. While not the most groundbreaking, it certainly enhances the listening experience compared to standard stereo sound. Sporting plush memory foam ear cups and an adjustable headband, the Live 770 NCs offer surprising comfort. They're lightweight, foldable, and perfect for travel or commuting. With features like Multipoint connection, Google Fast Pair and Alexa integration, and the Personi-Fi 2.0 app for personalization, convenience is at your fingertips. However, no product is without its flaws. The touch controls can sometimes be a bit finicky, and the call quality, while decent, is not exceptional. The spatial audio could also be a bit more refined, especially when compared to higher-end models. Despite these minor drawbacks, the JBL Live 770 NC headphones are a compelling choice for those seeking a feature-rich pair of noise-canceling headphones that won't break the bank. Offering top-notch ANC, immersive sound, and an impressive battery life in a comfortable and convenient package, they are a worthy contender in the market. While they may not be perfect, their strengths certainly outweigh their weaknesses, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious audiophiles. In conclusion, they score a solid 4 out of 5 stars. If this review has been helpful in your quest for the perfect headphones, do show some love. Like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in audio tech. Until next time, keep the music playing.